Good morning, class. Today we are going to study Maths Chapter 8 Length. Okay, the meaning of length in Hindi is lambai. Now in class 1, my dear students, you have learned about non-standard units of length. Okay, non-standard units of length means the units which are not standardized. ठीक है, ऐसे नाप जिसका कोई स्टैंडर्ड नहीं है, जो अलग अलग पर्सन्स के वेरी करता है. For example, what are the non-standard units? So the non-standard units are span. We used to measure by hand span, foot, hand, cubit. So these are the non-standard units. But my dear students, for different persons, its length is different. For example, if you are going to measure one table, okay, in your hand, if you are going to measure by your hand, it will be 10 span. But if your mother is going to measure it, it will be hardly 6 span or 7 span. Okay? It's because your hands are small and mother hands are big. So, non-standard units varies from person to person. We can't use it for measuring standard things. Okay, if you want to keep a standard record, we have to measure it with the standard unit. Okay? So before going further, let's try to solve this. Fill in the blanks. The first one is some commonly used non-standard units of length are. Come on, recall what you have studied in your previous class. Yes, it's cubit, hand span and foot span. Okay? Now, second one. Such measures are not accurate because these are different for different people. Okay? Now the question comes, if non-standard units are not perfect, then what is the perfect one? So my dear student, the standard units are fixed. They are perfect for measuring anything. Let's learn in this chapter some standard units. Okay? Fixed standard units are also called as standard unit. Okay? For example, we'll take meter. We measure the length. Okay? We measure the distance, length, lambai by meter. ठीक है? If the things are long, we measure it by meter. Meter is represented by M. Okay? Meter is represented by M. For example, if we are going to measure 1 meter, so the short form of writing 1 meter is 1 m. Okay? If it is 10 meters, then it will be 10 m. Very good. If it is 100 meters, then what we will write? 100 m. Very good. Okay? So we measure the length by meter. Let's try to solve these exercises. Exercise 8.1. What it is given here? there is one pipe. Okay, and they have measured it using meter. So let's count how long is this pipe. So 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter. So the length of the pipe is, how long it is beta? It is 3 meters long. So the answer will be, this pipe is 3 meters long. Now we are going to measure the pole. That is, we have given one flag. We have to measure the length of the pole. Okay, so come on, let's see how it is given. How much it is given? It is 4m, means it is 4 meter. Very good. Now we have given one rope. Okay, the rope is quite big, right? So let's measure how long it is. So let's start counting. 1, yes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how long it is beta? It is 10 meters long. So the answer will be 10 meter. So in this manner beta, using meter scale or meter tape, we measure different types of things. Okay, whenever we want to measure length, we use meter if it is little big. अगर हम किसी थोड़ी बड़ी चीज को मेजर करने वाले हैं तो हम किससे मेजर करते हैं? हम मीटर स्केल से मेजर करते हैं. ठीक है, मीटर किससे रिप्रेजेंट होता है? मीटर m से रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है. ओके, now the question comes, if we want to measure the small thing, okay, like a hairpin. You all have seen your mother's hairpin. It is little small, it is size of the finger. Okay, so if we want to measure a hairpin or a spoon, okay, spoon, so we need a smaller unit for measuring it, right? So the smaller unit is called centimeter. Okay, centimeter is smaller than meter. It is represented by cm. ठीक है, सेंटीमीटर जो होता है बेटा वो मीटर से छोटा होता है. ठीक है, और इसे हम रिप्रेजेंट किससे करते हैं? cm से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. ओके, स्मॉल c एंड m. नाउ 1 मीटर. ठीक है, 1 मीटर इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 100 सेंटीमीटर्स. मतलब 1 मीटर जो होता है वो 100 सेंटीमीटर्स मतलब 100 इक्वल पार्ट्स में बटा हुआ रहता है. ठीक है, 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. अगर आप 100 सेंटीमीटर्स को मिला देंगे तब क्या बनेगा? वो 1 मीटर बनेगा. ओके, सो 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 centimeter. Okay, we all have scales in our pencil box, right? Whenever we used to draw lines, we use scale. In our scale, it is given centimeters. Our scale is 15 centimeters long. Okay, our scale is how long beta? It is 15 centimeters long. So whenever we have to measure small length, we use centimeter, right? So what we have learned today? We have learned about meter and centimeter. Okay, they are standard units for measuring length. And 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Again, listen to the video, see the video properly beta. read your books, and try to measure different things using your scale. Okay? God bless you all. Take care.